Bonjour tout le monde. This is an overview about this week's assignment. I want to make sure that everybody's on the same page. So this is a video I'm doing right now. Here we're starting about a very interesting fact, a cultural fact. How do French people spend their evening? Watch it. It's very fun, very easy to understand even. It is subtitled. And compare it with your own activity. Are you doing the same thing? Here you're learning objectives on week 4, chapter 9. You're going to get familiarized with a summary of the history of France and about Quebec and l'immigration maghrébine with those presentation. And you're going to learn about the adjective and pronoun demonstrative. Adjectif et pronom démonstratif, the demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. So this is going to be, and of course, the lesson is going to be on A5. So you go to your module and you have your les adjectifs and pronoms démonstratifs. I just want to emphasize and repeat, section A, it's for your practice. It's the lesson. It's as if we were in a classroom and this is what we're learning. I'm teaching, you're practicing, even though it says here assigned to class, but it's not graded because I did not share it on my Canvas. Okay, it's just for you. If I put graded automatically, so when you do those exercises, you see your answers. That's it. But it's not graded. It's just again for you to go over the lesson. So what's your homework? And let's start with that. So assignment due Wednesday, which is going to be your LINCO. On LINCO, you have to do B4, C4, and I give you also chapter 9 review as an extra credit. That extra credit, I'll add 10% to your Go React project. So B4, C4, as usual in your LINCO, this is when you're going to get it. Again, for the C4 section, because it's oral, don't worry. You don't need to send me an email. Hey, didn't recognize it. I said it several times, blah, blah, blah. No, don't worry about it. Do it as 5 times. Don't do it once because I will remove points from now on. Like, give me that effort. I'll give you the reward. Okay. So don't worry about it. Everything is recorded. Your last answer is recorded. I will check it. If it's correct, of course, you'll get your points back. Next, the pronunciation quiz. Same thing. You have your pronunciation quiz in here. And again and again, try 5 times maximum. Make sure that on your side, it's the correct pronunciation. Try to check that. And the rest, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Even if it didn't recognize it, I will listen to it. I will listen to all of them and give you back your points if it's correct. That's for Wednesday. For Friday, we have 2 cultural presentation. We have by Josué Québec, so La Province, and by William l'immigration maghrébine. So these 2 students will submit their presentation on Friday, maybe before. Hopefully, we don't know. And by Sunday, the rest of the class will have to comment on those presentation. So Josué, do not make comments on your own presentation, but yes, do make sure to make comments about William and William vice versa. Okay. So this one, it's for those 2 students. That's why I put it in here, because it's for them that's due. But for the rest of the class, yours is here. It's the same link anyway, but it's just, I want to make sure that you guys are okay to make sure that it's for you when to do it. So this one, the comment, what you're going to say, what you find interesting. Yes, it has to be in French. And again, don't worry about the mistakes you might do. It's not that. I want you to go ahead and just write. There is no need to do Google Translate. That's not the purpose of it. I just want you to throw those words there and try to figure it out. It's just 100 words. Tell me what you found interesting, what you learned, what it was something new. It was something that you already know, anything. Okay. I'm just gonna grade your effort in speaking, or actually in this case in writing in French. Okay. So for Friday, again, you have those cultural presentation and your Edpuzzle. The Edpuzzle, it's about the second episode, À chacun son secret. No subtitle again. Those subtitles episode will be available on Saturday. However, I'm having some students that they're done with it and they want to start with the questions. So I decided to upload again the episode, but without subtitles in here. Okay, so for those who wants to wait till Saturday, or maybe yes, go ahead and answer, and before you submit, you want to make sure that you understood everything correctly. On Saturday, you're going to go on the LLC website right in here. So let me show it to you again. You go there, you click on audio, video, and websites, and you're going to see Le Chemin du Retour. You click on it, and you're going to have all the episodes. And every episode is going to be available on Saturday. So this one, you have the French subtitle. I'm sorry, this one is the French subtitle, this one, the English subtitles. Okay. So again, I'm going to make it available for those students who wants to do it already. You're kind of ahead of the game. I'm having like 3 or 4 students, so I'll make it available. But again, you have it, but it's not subtitled. It's only on Saturdays that you have it subtitled. And again, you can always go ahead of your game and answer those questions. Don't submit until on Saturday when you check that, and yes, everything is good, go ahead and submit. So since we're going to be done with your chapter 9 exam, chapter 9 chapter, you're going to do this project. So we don't have an actual exam, but it's a project where you're going to create a PowerPoint and you follow the prompts that's here. So make sure to read everything. Everything is here, okay? You're going to follow the prompt. This is the prompt of the project, and I'm guiding you exactly. First slide, this is what I want you to do. Make sure to put a lot of pictures and to put your writing. Everything should be there. In the next 3-4 slides, I want you to answer those questions. In other word, you're going to talk about your childhood. I want you to use the imparfait. After that, I want you to compare yourself with your family and friends. So make sure to use these formulas: moins de, moins que, plus que, aussi, plus, moins, autant, etc. And after that, I want you to use a futur simple. What's your plan for the future? Okay. So that would be it. So make sure to prepare. You have 2 weeks to do it. And once it's ready, you're going to use the Go React project. So everything is in there. You are going to make sure to click on that link, and it's going to show you how to convert your PowerPoint into a PDF. You're going to upload that PDF to the link where I'm going to provide for you next week. Go React chapter 9, projet écrit et oral. You upload your PDF, you go ahead, present yourself, make sure to show your face, make sure to show your PowerPoint. You go ahead, you read your PowerPoint as if you're talking to me, you know, like what I'm doing usually. And once you're done, click done, and that's it. Voila, you're good to go. Make sure to follow those steps, okay? It's pretty easy. You'll see it's not very complicated. So again, and I'm providing you ahead of time, so for you to just start working on it. This week, work on the PowerPoint, make sure everything is ready, and next week you just have to submit, okay? And that would be it for this week. Remember, we have the French Cafe that's starting today, on Monday, and on Wednesday. So hopefully I will see you there. Allez, merci et au revoir.